Hi, I'm Jordan from 3, and today we are taking a first look at Samsung's newest handsets. So Samsung have just had their Galaxy Unpacked event and have announced a bunch of cool new devices. The coolest though is the brand new Galaxy Z Flip4. This is Samsung's stylish compact flip phone. We've got an improved, flexible infinity display on the inside that measures out at 6.7 inches and an outer display that measures at 1.9 inches. That means you can interact with the device without the need to open it. There's a bunch of really cool widgets that let you see information at a glance or quickly reply to messages. There's also the dual 12 megapixel cameras on the back that are perfect for snapping photos, but are also great for taking selfies thanks to FlexCam. That lets you use the device when the camera is closed for ultra-wide selfies using those rear cameras. There is of course a 10 megapixel front-facing camera if you want to pop your phone into flex mode and use it for things like selfies as well. You can also use flex mode for propping up your phone to capture some hands-free photos. Flex mode also works really well for multitasking, where you can split different apps between the top and bottom half of the screen. And some apps will even adjust to work better in flex mode as well, so that you can use the device without the need to use your hands. In terms of what's powering the device, we have a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, accompanied by 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage with a 3700 mAh battery to keep you powered up all day. It still has all those premium Samsung features you would expect from a flagship device, things like wireless charging and even reverse wireless charging to top up your Galaxy Buds or Galaxy Watch. It's also Samsung's most durable flip phone with IPX8 water resistance and Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. You can get your hands on the new Galaxy Flip 4 and enjoy 12 months of Disney Plus by heading to 3.co.uk or popping into one of your local 3 stores.